Johnny here, and today we are going to be playing a game called Retail Tycoon 2. Yeah, I'm pretty good at it already. Yeah. Like I always do, I first get off to the basics. Yeah, my friend taught me how to do most of this stuff, and then I did it myself. Got a bunch of stuff now, so.
Oh no, I don't know what to do.
Oh, there we go. I can do that.
Johnny.
R.I.P. What?
I don't know what to do.
How?
Like, on this thing. Oh, someone. What do you mean you can't get to a register? What? This makes no sense. Anyway, I'm gonna start my video now. Wait, what?
Why did you make a 2-second video?
Oh. Hello, today me play with Johnny GTV
improved.
Yeah, Johnny.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just share my screen.
Okay. Okay. I need to stock these shelves.
How do I not get to an open register? Wait. Do you see this?
No, I don't. Let me look. Yeah. Look around. Oh, the trash can's blocking them. They're stuck in there.
Whoopsies.
Now they'll go. Look at them, all of them.
But let's have a look at here. Oh yeah, yeah, that works. Right, so time to get some
and I need
large
more
furniture. I'll get 10 for now.
Now guys, you might be wondering why I'm not using my delivery driver. He is slow as hell. He don't make it in time. He goes 10 minutes early, and comes back 10 minutes late. Like, how am I supposed to do anything with him or at? And he takes the packages, which means like I can't even help him if I've got a small amount of packages. He just goes, takes forever, and then comes back, and I can't even help do naught without that. So I just
right now, but this is like the roof of the van is like a trampoline. Literally, it's bounces so much. Like, oh yeah, wait, I thought oh yeah, there. I'm in debt.
Yeah. Sad times, innit?
I don't know how. Oh, never mind. Just one purchase made me.
How are you $25 in debt?
No idea. But this is good for drifting.
I don't even drift with this one because it's got like the average drift of a pickup van. A bit more than just an average drifter, but still, it's quite close to it.
I have my delivery driver on another van, and I'm doing a van by myself. So that's working out. But flipped. Oh, my storage is apparently full. Why are you making funny faces?
The music.
Your camera is very laggy, by the way.
Yeah, that's just because of the call we're using. It's always this laggy. In real life, it's not laggy at all. gonna load these large
But
things.
yeah, I'm gonna just get some more storage.
But the emote I tried to use was /lay, which makes you like to lay down. I don't know if that's even an emote. But
I'm
like,
gonna
I was on
expand.
the bed and I wanted to sleep, but I couldn't sleep. You probably know why.
Oh,
What?
I need
What
a
did I
lack of.
buy then? Did I buy two? I bought too small furniture, bro.
Ah,
When you accidentally buy the wrong furniture,
you
bruh.
mean
I was
bought?
what?
You mean bought?
No, when you buy the wrong furniture, bruh.
But I need one more wall piece, which is 200, yet I only have 55. Ah, there you go.
255. Now you need the ceiling on the floor.
What?
One time I was playing Retail Tycoon 2, yeah, and when I was installing the roof, it would not work for some reason. Finally. Boom. Boom. Done. The couch was already sold out.
Sold out. What do you mean by that?
Salad out, bro.
Salad out.
I know.
What do you mean by that?
I mean salad out. It's not that difficult. Bruh, please. No, I'm facing the wrong way.
What is
Boom,
this
I'm
music copyrighted?
I don't think so.
Okay, good.
Either way, credits to Retail Tycoon 2. Even if the music is copyrighted, I just wanna like. I forgot to order it. I'm just gonna buy two because I'm too lazy to actually buy amounts of one. And plus, the more the better, right? Wow. Oh my god! There was a bump in your car that I accidentally bumped over.
Why
By
did
the way, guys, want to see something? Me and Jack rated 4 different Five Nights at Freddy's games out of 5, no 10, because not all of them are that good, you know. And so we've got the ratings on a sticky note. So let me just quickly sticky note. There we go. Wait, open the sticky note. Boom! These are the ones we had. So yeah, at your friend's house, it was actually pretty good. At Roblox, my friend didn't like it because, you know, he died. Anyways, I rate that pretty good. Five Nights at Marcus I forgot to rate, but in generally, I would just rate it somewhere like a 9. It's actually really good, especially the Five Nights at Freddy's the second game. The second game is pretty good as well. They're all good. That's my genuine answer. They're all good. So, yeah. Autumn, Halloween, winter.
Why did it say that?
Nowhere. My decorations kind of go in that order though. Maybe summer, autumn representing Halloween, and now
Oopsies.
let's have like winter. I don't know. Are there even any winter like decorations? Wouldn't think so. 2000 for a fountain? Hell yeah. I'll put it in the most appropriate spot.
Where's that
Kind of in the open, but it kind of looks good here because it's on the pathway.
at? Johnny,
Yeah.
not gonna lie. I think my delivery driver is too good because I barely have to pick anything up now.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's just my van.
Bro, these trees though.
What?
No. What happens in winter?
What do you mean?
I don't know.
Ah, my van is sort of stuck.
I like
That
coasters.
yeah. Thankfully, we know that we can just that my storage is full. That we can respawn it by spawning it back the van back in, and it still has our cargo inside. So
I don't
that's
have
nice,
that.
huh?
I don't have that. Okay, so I got 2 advertisements. So I got
Right.
one that everyone can see, which is you wouldn't shoplift a £40,000 car because we would know.
I think how do you even take a 40,000
Duh. I don't know.
UV? That one
And then
person.
in like the storage room, we got to work like your job depends on it.
Well, it does.
Exactly. So I don't know why that's like that. Oh god, I need furniture. Oh my god. I'm gonna get 15. Because 15 is normally the number that I need. I got a nice fountain if you want to come over to mine. Kind of looks good now. For some reason, a customer said, "Aww." I don't know what. I think they might have seen the poster and they're like, "Oh, I was gonna do that.
Do what?
Get that £40,000 cop." You know what?
But-
I'm gonna quickly get my delivery driver on. Whoa! I was about to drive off the edge. Me getting random small furniture in the middle of nowhere. What?
What?
The heck? And I'm gonna unload the truck. And I'm gonna go again. What? Where was that necessary?
My vans.
What do you mean?
Nothing.
You know what? I really don't like this delivery driver. I'm not.
What? How did I?
Bye,
flip
delivery
it?
driver. I don't use delivery drivers no more.
Mine was actually no. I'm a higher mine back. Actually, no, I'm a 5 a day. And why am I just wasting money?
I'm gonna stack some stuff. How did my person already stock everything up? 2 more large furniture. You see, us Britons, we drive on the left side of the road. Yeah, you drive wherever you want. But mostly on the left side. Wah! We don't always drive on the left. Sometimes we might go off a bit. Just a bit though.
My drifting is really good.
What?
My drifting is really good.
I can drift well as well. But it
Oh.
slows me down incredibly and I don't want to slow down, so. I'm almost at 4.5 stars. Is it because of my fountain? It looks kinda
Probably.
good. Look, it's nice. Look.
Why did you put your fountain?
You can come over and look. It's a pretty good spot. Okay. Robber! No, forgot it. He always looks like a robber. Well, let me just sit down here and relax. Had a bad day, you know. What do you want? A bed? Take it. Oh god, she actually took it. Anyways, guys, this video is actually gonna be pretty short, just because people kind of want short videos, don't they?
Yeah, people really do.
So I'm just gonna restock this one bed, and we're gonna end it there. Yeah, most of my videos are like half an hour or 45 minutes long. This one's gonna be 16 or 17.
Yeah. I'ma just put my roof in.
Maybe even 18.
Just enough money. Yeah. Bye.
You said that to your viewers, didn't you?
Mhm.
Now guess what?
Well,
Say it to mine.
bye.
See you in the next episode, next video. Like, subscribe to post notifications, and I will see you later. Bye bye.